Top 5.
Lava Tools. Ultra Large 3. Display with easy-to-read bold, clear digits. Simple countdown timer and count-up stopwatch operation, with maximum setting of 99 minutes 59 seconds. Super loud beeper alarm means that you'll never miss it even if you're in another room.
Top 4.
Cosmetic. A stylish and innovative digital timer and alarm clock start and stop countdown by simply rotating the timer display countdown time remaining on the LCD screen. Adjustable volume control in 4 levels: high, mid, low, silent.
Top 3.
eTradewinds. Lanyard attachment feature for hanging timer around neck belt or wrist. 90-degree customizable angle fold-out stand. New anti-wobble, stabilizing anchor points. All 4 corners press 2 left buttons simultaneously for reset to 0000.
Top 2.
Color trick. The 60-minute wind-up timer is a must-have staple in any salon. Easy to operate and can be set in 1-minute increments up to 1 hour. This timer is useful for all salon processes to ensure the most precise processing time.
Top 1.
Sakura. Improve time management, increase productivity with daily tasks, and more. Examples: test taking, managing playtime, bedtime routines, setting timeouts, and making sure teeth are brushed long enough. Excellent tool to help children understand the passage of time visually.